So I'm gonna start off with a sunscreen. I'm using the one from Biore that has a slight purple tint, and it also does leave a very glowy, dewy finish. After sunscreen, I'll be using a face oil. You can use any face oil you want. This is just to give you extra hydration and extra glow. I'm just gonna be extra bougie and use a jade roller on my face because why not? Remember, it's okay to allow yourself to take care of yourself. Next, I'm gonna go use a color corrector and I'm just gonna apply it on areas where I need. Time to blend. As you can see, I'm taking my time with blending everything out. I put out some time for myself today to indulge in some self-care. It shouldn't even be an indulgence. It should be a basic everyday need. Now, if you feel like your life is falling apart, a beauty blender will probably help you with that. Next, I'm gonna go in with my favorite concealer, the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Now, depending on the concealer, a tip to make them more full coverage is by letting them sit on your skin for about 5 minutes or lesser. Take your time in blending it out. You don't have to rush through the routine. I'm giving you full permission to take time for yourself and to take your time with everything else that's in your life. Remember, my rule with makeup is that when in doubt, pat it out. And if you ever find yourself doubting yourself if you're doing a good job, pat yourself on the back anyway. Another trick that I like to do is to dust my eyebrows with powder before doing anything to them. I find that this helps my brows last a lot longer. I'm essentially powdering the areas that are the oiliest. Next, I'm gonna use the contour palette by Pera, and I'm just gonna put this on like the hollows of my cheekbones, and I'm also gonna just chisel my neck to hide all the cookies that I've been eating during lockdown. If you don't have a smaller brush, you can always pinch the tip of your brush to get a more precise application. My brow routine is pretty simple. It's just a pencil and a brush. That's it. Remember, with everything that's happening in the world right now, it's not a sin and it's not a crime to take time for yourself. I got this bronzing palette from e.l.f. the other day and I feel like it's the perfect bronzing palette as it's very shimmery and it will give you a very nice subtle glow. I personally don't think any amount of contour or bronzer could hide my forehead. What I love about this palette is that there's a highlighter in it, and I'm just gonna use it on the high points of my face to give me that extra glow. On my days off, I like using bronzer on my eyes because I feel like it gives the perfect definition. I then use a darker shade on the outer corners and the inner corners of my eyes to further define them. And on that note, it's okay to not define everything in your life right now. Just take your time with it, man. Next, I'm going to use a Malaysian owned brand, Into It, and I love this palette because of its earthy tones. I'm just gonna use this darkest brown shade to elongate my eyes by dropping a fake liner. This is perfect for anybody who is not good at liquid liner, but also wants to line their eyes. And we cannot forget about our inner corner highlight. Just because you're dead inside doesn't mean you have to look like it. I didn't know Innisfree had a men's lip balm, but I'm just using it because it gives a very natural pink tint to your lips and it makes my lips look really healthy. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is how I achieve that glow wherever I go. And I hope you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!